Alright y'all, we got a 2016 International Eagle Day Cab. Cummins ISX 15, 475 horsepower turbo diesel. Got all the motor you'll ever need right there y'all. 10-speed EATON. Air sliding fifth. Power divider lock. Air ride rear suspension. 11R 24/5 rubber all the way around. Dual exhaust. No emissions on this truck right here, y'all. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power everything. Got it all. Quarter fenders, dual fuel tanks, 615,000 miles, 19,000 hours. Aluminum wheels all the way around. Got some Kelly drives in really, really good shape. Cruise control, engine brake. Got a nice little chrome visor up there. Y'all come check this truck out. Got a headache rack too. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website. 13601 Highway 45 North. Finger, Tennessee is our address. Just look for the big flag if it's got a little wind that day. As always, we thank y'all for watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.